Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You'll begin by ensuring two-factor authentication is active because app passwords only work with it. Sign in to your account's security settings on a computer or mobile browser and open the App Passwords section. Create a new app password, name it for this iPhone so you remember, and copy the 16-character code. You'll paste it into the iPhone app instead of your regular password. Once done, keep that code ready and continue to the iPhone. Now on your iPhone, open the app that needs the app password and go to its account or sign-in screen. When prompted for your password, paste the 16-character app password you generated. Do not enter your normal account password. If the app caches old credentials and does not prompt, remove the account from the app or mail settings and add it again, then enter the app password when asked. This ensures the app authenticates without breaking two-factor rules. Finish by verifying that mail, calendar, or the app's features sync properly. Give it a minute for initial data to download. If something fails, revoke that app password in your account settings and create a fresh one, then re-enter it on the iPhone. Also, make sure your iPhone's date and time are correct and that you have a stable network connection, because incorrect time or flaky Wi-Fi often blocks authentication. If problems persist, restart the app and reattempt sign-in.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.